Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a 2020 Ram Crew Cab 11-foot service body, 5500, all the bells and whistles, diesel motor, and as you can hear just by walking up to it, it's extremely quiet diesel motor. Definitely an advantage with a work truck. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like to be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this here today as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. As you can see on the front, it does have the chrome package, which is going to give you the chrome bumper running along the bottom and also the chrome center grille. Upgraded step-up bars. Those are factory step-up bars that run along the front and passenger doorway. 11-foot Redding service body. Guys, this is a classic 2 service body. Definitely going to give you all the storage room you're going to need. And as you can see by opening it, it does have the LED light system built in there. Awesome shock system going on in these. Plenty of drawers throughout. I'm not going to open every one of these doors, but definitely a very good setup on this particular service body. We did upgrade and put the upgraded hitch on the back, as you can see there. It does have a 7-pin wiring hookup along the side. 11 foot of pure storage here in the back, as you can see, so plenty of room to put whatever you might need to put back there. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain. Guys, as you're aware, if you're looking for a vehicle like this, it's extremely hard to find service bodies. It's extremely hard to find Ram 5500s or any heavy-duty truck in that matter with the bed actually on it. Here at the dealership, we try to make sure there's beds on at least 80% of all of our service bodies, or not service bodies, cab chassis, I'm sorry. So no matter whatever you're looking for, we probably have it in stock, and if we don't have it in stock, we got it sitting on the ground ready for immediate delivery. Most dealers are going to tell you they're going to be 8, 16, some 20 weeks at sometimes to get you a bed. Guys, we have them in stock. We understand your time is valuable. We understand your business cannot run without these vehicles, so we do what we can to get the beds for you and put them on so they're absolutely ready for you as immediately when you need them. Inside this vehicle, it does have power side mirrors, power window, and power locks. Automatic overhead headlighting. This does have a rubber floor throughout this vehicle, but we did opt for the upgraded Ram rubber floor mats throughout this vehicle. It does have hands-free capability. If you're not familiar with that, these 2 buttons up top here, you can program your phone directly into this radio. Simply hit the button, have the conversation directly through your speaker system. No more reaching for your phone while driving down the road. These 4 buttons here, right here, operate your instrument cluster located here in the center. Gives you all the readings of the vehicle or the truck in this particular case at all times. But all your temperatures of all your everything you need to know. It'll tell you your trip information, miles per gallon, even how fast you're going miles per hour right there, which is up right now. Cruise control on the right, and you also do have a gear limit where you can adjust your gears if you need to, going up or down them steep inclines. Push button start, as you can see here, simply leave the key in your pocket, which is another really nice feature, and you can simply hit push button start. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio on this thing. It also does come with a free subscription to that Sirius XM radio. Underneath that, we have all your climate controls, factory brake control, 5 auxiliary switches. This vehicle does also have PTO, and it does also have an exhaust brake. One thing I did not mention outside with this box, this Redding Classic 2 box, it does have the power remote fob here, so you can lock the entire box by simply hitting the lock button, and you can obviously unlock it with the same fob. Definitely nice feature. No more manually locking each individual box. When you're at the job site, you simply just hit the lock button. Seating for up to 6. It's set up for 5 now, but if you put up the center console, that's 6. Cup holders right here, and also a large storage bin where the armrest is at. Same with the front. We do have the upgraded floor mat here in the rear. Nice bench seat for seating up to 3. It does have some small storage underneath that seat also. Like I said, guys, extremely hard truck to find, especially with the service body already built on it, especially with the Redding Classic 2, which is an awesome service body. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you're assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if there's any questions, please feel free to call if you'd like to do so soon. It's 937-778-0830. We have a dedicated salesperson. That's all he does is commercial business, so we're very knowledgeable in this segment. We definitely keep these vehicles in stock, so if this is not something you're exactly interested in, maybe you want something a little different, there's a good chance if we don't have it in stock, we have it on the way here. And guys, like I said, we have the beds in stock. We're here for you, for the customer, so we do understand that your time is valuable. Without these trucks on the road, you're obviously not making money. And guys, another important feature that I did not mention with our dealership compared to different from all the other ones is we'll deliver this vehicle to you nationwide. No matter where you're located, I'll bring this to your business, I'll bring this to your house, wherever it is, I'll put this vehicle to work for you ASAP. Only at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned service body.